If you're wondering if you can use your Nintendo Switch 1 controllers on your Nintendo Switch 2, the answer is yes. So we have a couple of Joy-Cons here. These are from the OLED model, but other Nintendo Switch 1 Joy-Cons will also work. And we have the Pro Controller, the Switch 1 Pro Controller. These will all be able to be connected. So what we want to do is we want to work our way over to this little Joy-Con icon just here. So I'm going to disconnect the Joy-Cons, the Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Cons, and I'm going to work my way down until I'm on controllers here. Press A. And I'm going to go to change grip order. Now we're on this screen here. All we have to do is hit the sync button on the controller you want to connect. So on this one here is this little button here. So I'm going to hold it down there, and you can see now that it's going across. After a little while, it's now been paired. So for example, I can do this here, and then it will work as one controller there. Let's do the same on this one here. So hold that button down. You've got to hold it down for about 2 seconds or so until it starts working. And there you go, that's paired there. And so that's a controller. Yeah. And on this one here, I can press and hold this button at the top here, and it will start going here. And after a while, you can see that's synced straight up there. And now these will work absolutely fine. So if I was to come out of that, and if again I was to go into change grip order, I could do these two here as one controller because they're already synced up now. So there we go. You now see that's working as one controller. Yeah. And again, that one there. And then these ones can be player 3 and player 4. And this one. So you can have a mixture of 1 and 2 working just fine. Things you've got to be careful of is if you ever lose your Joy-Cons, then you're not going to be able to search for them on the Nintendo Switch 2. They will only search for Switch 2 controllers, not Switch 1 controllers. And obviously the rumble's not going to be the same. And when it comes to the Pro controller, you haven't got the option for the GL and GR buttons that you have on the new Pro controller. But at least you can still use them. And I've connected the Pro 1 controller back onto my OLED model here, just to disconnect it from here. You can also connect them up via USB. So if I was to use the USB-C on the top here, and if I was to plug this into the dock, so right now this is still connected to my OLED model, but when I plug it in here, you will see that it will automatically connect here. There we go, paired, and now it's working here again. Yeah, and then when we unplug it, you can see it's still going to work, and obviously you can charge it just like before. So there you go, just like your Switch 1, it's really easy to use these on the Switch 2. Thanks for watching.